It is Dank Meme 21 here, and today I'm gonna be talking about something that I always got when I was in like I'm sure all of your parents have gotten this. So you're sitting there about to walk into the store. You always got that speech. Alright, don't touch anything, don't breathe on anything, and just don't do anything, don't even move. That's how my mom was. She would not let me touch anything, she wouldn't let me move, she would not let me breathe on anything. Because if something broke, I would have been in trouble. That's the thing I didn't like about stores. My mom actually just walked into the store, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna video this. So, I think it was like a couple days ago, I got off school, my mom picked me up, and she took me to the, store. This was literally her speech. Sorry. This was her speech. Alright, when we go into the store, remember, just so they will give us help, make sure that you say that you are 12. Not 12. Make sure you say that you're not. Why do I have to say that? They were like, because if you're younger, they're gonna help you more. And I was like, and yeah, that basically happened. I don't really know why, but this is the radio speech. Hold your breath when you go into the store. What? What? You want me to hold my breath when I go into a store? It's just like 10 hours later. Mother, you told me to hold my breath. I did. You see what happened? Exactly. You didn't see what happened because you don't know why you don't know. Anyway, so it's kind of like a short video, so. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, but anyway, oh crap, she coming! Alright, so I'll see you guys later, enjoy the video, goodbye, love y'all.